Andrea estoy Hey Bruno, I exit the summer is going to be amazing. My vacation plan and final ready. Bruno, student B. Hi Andrea, that's great. My plans are also tell me where you going to go. Andrea, I want to travel Tokyo, Japan. It's been my dream for years. I already made a plane reservation and booked my hotel near Shibuya, but it's quite expensive. Bruno, wow, that's so incredible. Tokyo is going to such a launch. What preparation activity are you going to do, Andrea? Wait first, I want to buy a new travel adapter. I'm a camera because I going to take thousands of pictures. I also need to exchange my money to Japan yen. Bruno, nice. I love it taking pictures. Too, your preparation sounds complicated, beautiful. Andrea, so tell, uh, me about your plan now. Where are you going to spend your summer, Bruno? I want to visit Cusco, Peru. I want to stay there for 10 days. I'll read reservation or train tickets to Machu Picchu, and my family is going to book a small traditional hotel in the Sacred Valley. Andrea, Cusco is fantastic. What activities are you going to do there? Are you going to hit Bruno? Yes, we're going to hit Huayna Picchu. I are going to visit Ollantaytambo and the local maker. I'm also going to try all the local Peruvian food, especially cuy, because our mission is at ever. Andrea, this adventure. What about food in Tokyo? Where are going to eat? Andrea, oh my god, through authentic ramen and sushi, of course, I was going to visit the Fiume Sensoji Temple and spend a day shopping. Harajuku is fashion is massive. Bruno, very cool. So you going focus on culture and shopping. I'm going to focus in story in nature. We are going to have very different experience. Andrea, well, definitely are hey at safe and amazing trip to Cusco, Bruno. Bruno, you too. Andrea have a great time in Japan.